So the big question is, how do we turn sand into a computer chip? It's a little bit of magic, really. First, we start with a lot of sand and purify it until you end up with pure silicon, such as this piece that you see right here. With that silicon, you create what's called an ingot, which is akin to a giant silicon salami. And from that giant salami, what you do is then you slice it up, and each one of those slices of silicon is called a wafer. As you can see here, we have a wafer where we have built a number of processors. Each one of those shiny squares that you see is a computer microprocessor. Each one of these little cores is basically like a little computer brain. It used to be that every processor we sold had just one core, which was one little brain. Then a couple of years ago we started making 2 cores, which is akin to having 2 brains of your microprocessor. Now we're selling 4. Next year we will be selling 8. And in this case we have 80 of them. Now each one of those little brains can be doing a different task for your computer. So the more cores you have, basically the more intelligence you have in your computer. And having 80 would be akin to having 80 little brains computing away at anything you're trying to do on your computer. So the next step is to take each one of these little squares, which is a microprocessor, and chop it up and package it up until it ends up looking like this. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we turn sand into computer chips.